Welcome back, family. I have a huge bedroom update. Let me show you how we went from this to this in just one day. All right, family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. This is about to be the most amazing room transformation yet. This is a room upgrade, update, whatever. A lot of you have been hinting at this specific thing, and I know a lot of you have already guessed, but if you haven't, comment down below what you think the upgrade is. So, I have decided to get rid of the carpet in my primary suite. You guys know that I don't like carpet. And if you didn't know, now you know. I talk about this all the time. I do not like carpet. And ever since I moved into the house, y'all know this as well, I have been tweaking every single thing about this house, little by little, up to this point, okay? And a lot of you hinted at the master bedroom floors. I was really hesitant about changing the flooring in here because it's a bedroom. I hate carpet, especially in high traffic areas. However, in bedrooms, that's a whole different thing. But I just don't like carpet, if we're being honest. So I have been in the home for about 2, going on 3 years now. And every single day I tell myself, should I change it? Should I not? Should I change it? So I got tired of driving myself crazy. Clearly, if it keeps coming up in my mind, that's something I really want. So I decided I'm gonna change it. So I did it, y'all. I went to Floor & Deco, for those of you who wanna know where the plug is, for great flooring, hardwood, vinyl, plank, tiles, all of that. Go to Floor & Deco. If you have a Floor & Deco in your area, go there. They have amazing selection, okay? And this is not sponsored at all. I am so happy, y'all. I am so happy with the result I'm about to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys a snippet of what it looked like before. It was beautiful, like I said, but style-wise and just for me, for my style, I like this look better. I like this look. All right, y'all, this is the exciting part. Goodbye, ugly carpet. Hello, wood. Well, not yet, but soon to be. So he's taking everything out. He's gonna do this side, and then he's gonna switch everything and do this side. And as you can see, everything's in the bathroom. Oh, they're bringing the stuff in now. Yay.
Did that electric in the bathroom?
Huh?
I'll show you guys what I did with that electric in the bathroom.
We want to put this right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Like I cut the wall, I cut the bottom of the baseboard.
Okay.
And I put the drywall out behind this.
Oh.
And then I put the stuff back in there and then put the baseboard back on there so you couldn't even tell
You
I
couldn't
did
tell, yeah. Okay. That's
Is that the same stuff as in here?
Do we need quarter rounds?
Yeah.
Okay.
This stuff is right here.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure, and
Yeah,
the guy
you
told
only
me.
need- instead of pulling the baseboard off and then it messes it all up.
Oh, okay.
It's easier to just do quarter round.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
Okay.
You know how thick it is. It's good stuff.
Okay. It looks so much better. It's given a more expensive look to me, in my opinion. And also, I don't have to worry about maintenance. And these are waterproof. So that means even if I spilled a whole bucket of water on here, all I have to do is wipe it off. I found a few contractors, they quoted me. I picked the best one for my budget. He came in and knocked this out within one day. So the entire bedroom now has the luxury vinyl plank, LVP. So the closet, the bathroom, the toilet room, the entire bedroom, everything is LVP. So all right, family, this is what the room looks like. I do have a few new things that I wanted to share with you all. So let's go ahead and basically clean up the room and bring it all back together from how we started. I am super excited about the new changes in here, and I think the room matches my vibe now. Carpets are not bad, but for me, I just wanted something different in here, especially because the space is so big and it is one of the busiest rooms in the house. I don't like carpet in high traffic areas, so there you go. Anyway, I got a new mattress. I've had my old one for a little bit now, and this company reached out to me and wanted me to try out their mattress. This is going to be the first time and first day that I'm putting it on. So if I love it, I'm going to do a review for you guys, and I'll also have a discount code for you guys in the next video coming up. So this is just an unboxing. I'm making sure to get it open. So the mattress comes from Amazon, and it comes like this. It is vacuum packed. So this is a king size. As you guys know, my bed is a king size. They said it takes about 48 hours for it to come back to its full, I guess, potential. But yeah, this was the first day that I put it on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make up the bed. You guys like to see the full room. This is a pretty big room. It has a sitting area in the corner there, as you can see, and it also has the actual bedroom area. And so it's really fun making the bed. I love making my bed every day, and a lot of you know this, but some of you don't. I make my bed every single day. Every single day. It's literally part of my daytime routine or morning routine, whatever you want to call it. If I walk out of my room without my bed being made, I just feel discombobulated. I just feel like my whole day has not started. Is anybody else like this? Now, I will say I don't always make the bed the fancy way like I'm doing here. Some days I'll just take all of the pillows off and just use the blanket, the sheets, the fitted sheets, or something like that. But most days, most days, I make it like this because it just feels good walking in here. And I've worked really hard to get here. For those of you who are OGs who started out with me, I don't have to tell you the story. But for those of you who are new here, we have come a long way, and I feel blessed every single day. So it's just part of me showing my gratitude for where God has brought me, and I'm grateful to be here. So yeah, and I also work from home, so I walk around the house a lot, all day, every day. So this gives me something to not only do, but it also gives me something to look forward to at the end of the day. I can walk in here and it feels like I'm walking into a luxury hotel. Yeah, I like that for us. Anyway, this is my typical way of making the bed. I started doing my Christmas decor, but I've only done the main level, like the kitchen, living room, dining room. I actually have a big surprise for the dining room coming up, so stick around for that. But I haven't done any Christmas decor in the bedroom yet. I was waiting for the flooring to be done so I can come in here and finish up the room, and then I'll focus on the Christmas decor. And I just really wanted to show you guys what the flooring looks like in here. I feel like it looks more luxurious. I feel like it matches the rest of the house a little better. And I also feel like I can save time on cleaning in here because, like I said, this is one of the busiest room in the house. We all come in here, y'all. We all come in here. And when I'm busy working and I don't feel like sitting at my desk, I usually sit on the bed and work. And sometimes I'll sit in this little corner and work as well. And so, yeah, it was a busy area, and I always felt like I had to clean the carpet. Yeah, and that was bothering me. So I'm happy that I'm able to change the flooring. And I'm so proud of myself too for just doing things my own way and taking my own time, because a lot of you don't know this, but I have been in the home for about 3 years now, and I have slowly been changing the entire home to how I want it. Okay, so there's no rush in this. You take your time. It doesn't matter how long you've been in your home. It doesn't matter what your budget is. If you want some things done in your home, my advice would be to take your time, do it one at a time, at your own pace, regardless of what's going on social media. I know social media has a way of rushing people into doing things, but you just got to do it for yourself. Do it when you can, how you can, and how much you can. Again, at your own pace. I also have a huge surprise for the bathroom, and I'm going to show you all that. The bathroom has its own level. It's like a step up, and then there's a John by itself, and the closet, the master closet by itself. And so that level is a whole level on its own, and I'm going to show you guys that. You guys know that I broke my vanity mirror, or my LED mirror, in my bathroom, and it was a whole thing. But I have an update on that I want to show you all, so yeah, stick around for that as well. But this is just me cleaning the room. As you saw, I cleaned the bed itself, cleaned the sitting area. This is my TV area. This is where I keep a few things, a few decorative pieces. By the way, that was not bleach. That was a glass cleaner. Somebody was asking me in the last video when I used it, they thought it was bleach. It's not bleach. It just looks like the bleach bottle, I guess, the spray bleach bottle, but yeah, it's not bleach. Anyway, this is where I keep all of my perfumes. I'm trying to create a beauty room, and I'm taking my time with that as well. I want my glam room / beauty room, and this is where my perfume and anything that has to do with dressing is going to be. But for now, this is where I have that stuff. Anyway, moving on to the floors. This is what the new flooring looks like. Now, all I have to do is worry about vacuuming. I don't have to worry about the carpet looking dirty anymore. I don't have to worry about spilling things on it. I don't have to worry about any of that. And again, in my opinion, it looks much better than before. And this was quite an investment, if we're being honest. These LVP flooring, depending on the quality you get, can be kind of expensive. And as you saw me ask the contractor earlier, I wanted to get a great quality because, again, this is a high traffic area, and this is my favorite room in the house, one of my favorite rooms in the house. So I wanted to make sure that I got what the room deserved, okay? So I waited and saved up a little bit until I could splurge on the flooring. So yeah, this is what the bedroom looks like now. It's nice, cozy, fancy, and it is my taste, okay? All right, family, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions whatsoever. Also, please comment your favorite part of today's video and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.